Should we start? Okay. Hello everyone, we are from Code Squad and today we have e-learning mobile application. So the main things we focus on to solve the problems in our daily life is that the lack of education material resources and lack of sufficient guidelines, lack of instant communications, lack of portable materials and lack of online examinations, and we pay a huge amount of money to our tutors, to our tuitions or individual exams. So for that we make a solution. The solution is an app that will integrate both the tutor and the learner. So it will be a common place for the tutor and the learners, where they will give all the materials in one place. Like we can provide like arts or singing or dancing classes in this, and various types of materials. Like we will provide the tutor to upload PDF files, PPTs or videos, etc. and so on. Direct communications. So here tutor and learner will get direct communication by FaceTime in this app. So another special features we are included, that is chatbot. For this we can have short solutions from this built-in chatbot. So later on we will discuss about the app later, and let's come to the business model. The two main telco APIs we have used in this app is this BDApp's CAAS API and BDApp's SMS API. So let's look the chargings. We will charge in two ways. The way number one is pay one-time service fee for a special content. Like I'm a student, okay, I'm searching for topics in ICT. I go through some teachers and I see the context, and then I want their special content. So for that I have to sign in, and then I have to pay one-time service fee for that particular subject of that particular tutor. And this will be applicable for the tutors who just want to teach in just online, and this service will be higher from the way to. What is the way to? Like I'm a tutor of a coaching center or a school or college, so I want to provide my students some online materials and online examinations, so they can sign in with me and they can have the online tutorials for lower cost. So the market opportunity. At first stage we are targeting that 1 million BDT, and then the second stage is 5 million, and then later on 10 million. So the traction. Here you can see that in the x-axis we have the years, and the y-axis we have the numbers of users. So we are targeting that after this year launching we can get 10,000 users, also the teachers included and the students. And by eventually we are targeting by 2022 that we will target 7,000 users in connecting in our app. So financial distribution. From the profit we are collecting from the students, we will give the BDApps 20% if we are given. Then maintenance and marketing we will use 35%, and for tutors, as they have provided some materials, we will give them 30%, and for developers there is 15%. So here is the sample of our app. Here is a home screen, then the profile, sign in, sign up, the categories, fashion, arts, photography and so on, and online examination. Yes, we are going to charge for online examination, which we have included in our app. Like we have BCS examination or admission examination for universities. Like we have 10 sets of questions. Okay, fine. Now you have to pay for this, and you can have the online examination here. So here's subject-based exams like ICT. Okay, if it will come when I have paid the amount, then system will show that whether it's wrong or right, and then there will be a leaderboard for the users who have used the app. And the chatbot. Here is a small conversation that chatbot will answer short questions like we want to ask, but if we want to ask descriptive questions like a bigger question, then it will suggest some tutors from the list. So that's our team, and thank you.